So let's figure out how many 3/4 cup measures we have in 2.5 cups. And so it's a few steps, so stay with me. So what we're really asking is if we have 2.5 cups, how many times does 3/4 go into 2.5? So we're taking 2 1/2 and we're dividing that by 3/4. So that should give us our answer. The problem is that we have 2.5 divided by 3/4. These aren't really in the same format. So let's change this over. Right now it's a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Let's change this to the format here. To do that, what we'll do is we'll take 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, that gives us 5. Keep the 2 the same. And 5 over 2, that has the same value as 2.5. They both equal 2.5. But now what we can do is we can work with these fractions here since they're in the same format. And instead of division, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3/4. What that means is I move the 3 to the bottom and the 4 up here to the top. 4/3, that's the reciprocal of 3/4. And using the reciprocal, now I can just multiply. 5 times 4, that is 20, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 20 over 6. Let's change this to a mixed number here. So 6 goes into 20. 6 times 3, or 3 times 6 is 18 with 2 left over. So you get 3 2 6, and you can actually write 3 2 6. You can reduce 2 6 down to 1/3, so you could call it 3 1/3. That would be the same as 3 2 6. So in answer to our question, 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup, we have 3 1/3 of these 3/4 cup measures in 2.5 cups. Told you it was involved. This is Dr. V. Thanks for watching.